Buenas noches y buonochi. It is again my great pleasure to join you as this year's Global Travel Conference commences. On behalf of the government and the people of Aruba, I extend to you our warmest welcome to our one happy island. Whether this is your first visit or one of the many return visits, we are very happy to have you here with us. Bombini, bienvenidos a todos. Quiero extender un caluroso saludo a todos nuestros invitados de Latinoamérica que nos acompañan en esta conferencia global. Me llena de mucho orgullo verlos hoy aquí, ya que Latinoamérica es nuestro segundo mercado más importante. Esperamos que esta semana esté llena de muchas oportunidades para seguir haciendo crecer los hubs de Latinoamérica y continuar a potencializar y diversificar los mercados como Argentina, Brasil, Chile, Perú, Uruguay, Paraguay y Colombia. I am very appreciative for the invitation to speak to you, and I'm very happy to see many tourism experts, travel professionals, and distinguished hospitality industry representatives from North America, Latin America, and Europe. Your attendance is a testament to your commitment to the continued success of Aruba's tourism industry, which plays such a critical role in our country's economy, prosperity, and future. We continue to be so pleased with the great successes and strong performance of our tourism industry, and 2024 will once again reflect new records, including tourism receipts. It is gratifying to note that the word recovery is no longer relevant, even though it was only 4 short years ago that we all faced such massive challenges. The success we all have enjoyed these recent years, in great part, is a result of the unwavering support and contribution by our countless partnerships here in Aruba and with our many global airline and tour operator partners. We are grateful for the valuable influence stemming from each of these partnerships on travel decisions, and with that, the resulting positive impact these represent for the island of Aruba. While tourism performance has been impressive in 2024, the investment in infrastructure, as well as a new and expanded hotel product and other commercial business, has been equally noteworthy. You will see and experience for yourself some of the many projects well underway throughout the island, which will only further strengthen business opportunities in the future. We have been very fortunate over the years to be known as a destination of high quality, and we are proud that investment in our island will secure that reputation well into the future. To further safeguard that reputation, our government will continue its efforts to work closely with the Aruba Tourism Authority, the AHATA, and the entire tourism and hospitality industry in exploring opportunities to further invest in our product and in the visitor experience. Una vez más, a todos quiero agradecerles por su presencia y esperamos que se contagien del efecto Aruba y que sigamos trabajando en conjunto para seguir atrayendo turistas de la región latinoamericana. Muchas gracias por su esfuerzo y dedicación en nuestra isla feliz. Again, I thank everyone for your passion, for your commitment to Aruba, and for taking the time from your schedule to join us this week. I wish you an enjoyable, productive, and above all, a successful conference. I also hope that you will find some personal time to further connect with the island and be sure to share the spirit of Aruba upon your return home. I look forward to welcoming you back again soon. Mashallah.